welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Sitting or lying down, whatever feels best for you right now. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze if that feels more comfortable. Let your hands rest easily. There's nowhere to go, nothing to do, just this moment. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in and let it go. Allow your body to begin to relax. Now, gently bring your attention to your body. Notice the points of contact where your body meets the ground or the chair beneath you. Feel the weight of your body. Notice the sensations. If you feel any areas of tension, breathe into them. No need to fix anything. Just notice and allow. Now gently scan your body from the crown of your head down through your neck and shoulders, your chest, your arms, your hands, down through your spine, your hips, your legs, and all the way to the tips of your toes. If the mind wanders, that's completely okay. Just return your focus to the body. Now bring your attention to the breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. In and out. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Feel the air moving in through the nose and out through the mouth or nose, however it wants to go. Each breath anchors you in the present moment. With each inhale, feel your lungs expand. With each exhale, feel your body soften. If a thought comes up, gently acknowledge it and then let it drift away like a cloud in the sky. Come back to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's begin to clear the mind. Imagine your thoughts are like leaves floating on a stream. As they come, place them gently on the water and watch them drift away. No need to hold on. No need to judge or engage. Just observe and release. if a thought keeps returning, that's okay. Place it back on the stream. Let it go again. Your only job right now is to breathe and be. The mind may chatter, that's natural. But underneath the noise, there is stillness. You are stepping into that stillness now. Now allow yourself to simply rest in this quiet space. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just breathe and be here. Feel the space around your thoughts. Feel the stillness behind your breath. This moment is enough. You are enough. If your mind becomes busy again, that's okay. Return gently to the breath and to this quiet space within. Let yourself float here in peace for a few moments. Now, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Notice the air around you, the feeling of your body resting where you are. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes slowly and gently. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank yourself for taking this time. You've created space in your mind, a moment of calm in the noise of the day. Carry this stillness with you as you move gently back into the world.